Hello everyone. So in this video we see the question. Now we have to solve this by the method of comparison. Solve the pair of linear equations by the method of comparison means it's a pair of system of linear equations in two variables, but we need to solve this by the method of comparison. Let's just check this how. Now given two equations x plus y divided by xy is equal to 2, we give this as equation 1. The other one, x minus y by xy is equal to 6. We give this as equation 2. Now we solve this by the method of comparison, meaning we have to find the value of any one of the variables from the first equation. Suppose we find out x and also we find out x from the second one. Now we just compare those values of x from the two equations. Okay, then we find the value of one variable and just put the other in the first equations. This is how we done doing. So from equation 1, from equation 1, x plus y by xy is equal to 2. So we can divide this xy with x and y and just find out the value of x. See, x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 2. Okay, now x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled, so we get 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Okay, now the other one, from equation 2, x minus y by xy is equal to 6. So we divide this, x by xy minus y by xy is equal to 6. X gets cancelled, y gets cancelled. So ultimately we get 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 6. Okay. So we can just take this inverse variable as the reciprocal of this. So we can just assume let 1 by y is equal to a, comma 1 by x is equal to b. Just assume that 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. So it will be easier for us to solve the pair of system of linear equations in two variables. So now the equation becomes, therefore the above equation becomes, what is 1 by y? It's a, plus what is 1 by x? It's b. A plus b is equal to 2. Okay. What is 1 by y? It's a, minus what is 1 by x? It's b is equal to 6. Now we can compare the values. So just find out a if you wish. A is equal to 2 minus b. A is equal to 6 plus b. Okay. Now give this as equation 3 and give this as equation 4. Now we compare the values of a from both the equations and find out the answers. Comparing the values of a from equations 3 and 4, we get, what's the value of a here? It's 2 minus b is equal to, what is the value of a here? 6 plus b. We compare both. Let's just find out b. Minus b is equal to 6 plus 2 goes, it becomes minus 2. So minus b will give you minus twice b. What is 6 minus 2? It's 4. So b is equal to 4 by minus 2. So minus 2 is the answer for b. If b is minus 2, so what would be the value of x? See, b is 1 by x. So can we not write here 1 by x is equal to minus 2? Since 1 by x is equal to b, we have assumed it earlier. Now let's find out x. X is equal to minus half. Now we can find out the value of y. We got the value of x, we can just find out the value of y. Just take any one of the equations. Fine. Just put the value here. Now putting x is equal to minus half in any one of the equations. In equation 1 we get, okay, now putting x is equal to minus half in equation 1 we get, so what is the equation 1? Let's just put the value here. X is equal to minus half, so minus half plus y by minus half into y. It's given x into y, so minus half into y will give you 2 from this equation. Let's just solve this. Minus half plus y. Now this whole thing goes there and gets multiplied with the 2. So 2 into minus half of y. 2 gets cancelled. So minus half plus y is equals minus y. Now just find it out. This minus half goes there, becomes plus half, and minus y goes to the left hand side, becomes plus y. So y plus y is equal to half. Ultimately, y plus y will give you twice y is equal to half. So y is equal to 2 goes down and gets multiplied with 2. This 2 becomes 1 by 4. So x is minus half, y is 1 by 4. Therefore, the solution set is x comma y is equal to, x is what? Minus half, y is 1 by 4. This is how we find out the answer. Like, this is how we solve this pair of system of linear equations in two variables by the method of comparison. Okay.